Louise. I run a family blog on Instagram. Looks a little bit like this. And today I want to show you how you can easily use Adobe Photoshop to stretch out some of the pixels on an 8x10 image to optimize it for Instagram in their 1x1 format. Let's go.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click this little padlock here and unlock the layer. And I'm going to come across and select my crop tool, check that it's 1x1, so it's optimized for Instagram. And I'm going to drag that out past the image that I have, because you can see that whilst I can fit her into the space, I won't have quite as much negative space around her as I would like. So I'm going to just adjust, and then that leaves me with this one pixelated section down the side. So I'm going to grab my Rectangular Marquee tool and I'm going to just bring that across, and I'm going to draw a rectangle down all the way to the bottom over the edge of the pixels that are in place in the image, as many of those as possible. And I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Distort, and I'm just going to drag those pixels out sideways, and it's going to stretch them. I'm going to click Enter and then select Deselect. Now you can see at the bottom here I've got a little space where it's missed, so I'm just going to use my healing tool to go over those and get rid of them.
And that's it. I hope that was helpful. Adobe and I have made it really easy for you to download the assets that I used in this tutorial and have a go yourself. Just click Help X, and if you do use them on Instagram, I would love for you to tag me. This is my handle. I would absolutely love to see what you create.